before. Bad inducer. We'll see what happens after. We just finished removing it. So it looks like underneath. Got some little. Oh bueno. Oh bueno. I don't know. Check it out. We're in the dirt. It's not good. Just remove the furnace. Here's part of it. It's not working like they wanted to. The old one's a little narrower. The piping has to be redone from here to here somehow. And gotta extend this right here. All right, stay tuned, see what happens. It's all in pieces. Here's a new one, this box. Here's after. GE, got your drain, gas, green, now. To wrap. GE. GE right there. It's a little nice little furnace. And I brought the flue. Through there. And this is what they got. To wrap. Thanks.